Hello guys, welcome back to this awesome DIY channel. Today I'll show you how I achieved this very effective hair growth cream. But before we proceed, please hit the subscribe button. For this organic hair cream, I'll be using shea butter as my base. Reason being that shea butter is very essential for hair growth, be it natural and all other hair types. I'm making the shea butter more fluffy so that all ingredients that will be added to it can be well incorporated. So my main ingredients for this recipe is my neem powder. Neem powder is very essential for hair, skin and all the health benefits. You can check my next post to see how I got this neem powder. I'll place the link in the description box. Then menthol. Menthol is very compulsory ingredients for a very good hair product because menthol helps to fight against fungal infection on the hair like dandruffs and ringworms, and it also helps to straighten hair roots. So I've added my menthol and I'll mix this very well. The next thing I'm going to be adding, which is also very important, is my essential oils. You can choose whichever essential oil to add to your hair product depending on your hair need. So I'll be adding 3 essential oils to this recipe. I will be adding coconut oil, which helps hair growth and also hair strength. I'll also be adding avocado oil, which of course avocado is a perfect friend for a good hair. Then neem oil, which its benefits are countless. You can check on the benefits in my next post. I'll place the link in the description box. Then I'll be adding fragrance to it because I want it to have a good smell. Then I'll mix very well. After mixing for about some time, I'll allow this to sit for up to 30 minutes to allow the menthol melt well. Then I'll bring it back and mix again. Ensure that your essential oil are not in excess to help the cream retain its consistency, otherwise it will be too watery. After mixing thoroughly, pour your contents into your choice of container and freeze for 15 minutes. The consistency of the shea butter comes back to normal after freezing, and this would give your hair product the right consistency. This hair cream is perfect for all hair types and is super affordable. Please don't forget to give us a thumb up and also to subscribe on this channel.